everybody, today we're in a Dodge Durango. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip left mount number 805910. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First off, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see the blue covering here and here. You will want to peel that cover off before you install the mount. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second, make sure you install the mount onto the vehicle before you screw anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now this mount is just going to wrap around the A-pillar, and you're going to want to kind of get the bottom of the mount basically in line with the opening of the defroster vent here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to just pull back the weather stripping, and we're going to take the bottom lip of the mount and just hook it around the edge on the inside there underneath the weather stripping. I'm going to lower it down so that we're in line with the vent. All right, once that's in place, now you basically just kind of want to grab the mount like this, put your fingers up here, and push so that it rotates around and this upper lip snaps in on the other side of the A-pillar up here. You might need to put a little pressure on the top. There we go. Now it's in place, we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.